Sorry guys, my mic was muted. Anyways, welcome back. To Talk Kingdom. We are gonna be playing some more Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure you tell me what other games you want me to play in the comments. We're gonna be as victims today. Change it up. And yeah. I wanna see how much comments this video can get. And likes. Sweet, now I can be sorry. Alright. Yay. Okay. I'm gonna rate it. Alright, so Sonic Honey and Leatherface cook for a killer. Okay. We got me, Talk Kingdom, and for the other player, Alex Moon, the other survivor, Mr. Strange, and then we got Mert Haron Darrow. I didn't know how to pronounce those names. But, and oh, for another survivor, we got Ash and Wolf. Okay. And Mr. Strange, alright.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search to the nearby communities of Marlow and Chinatown will unearth the family and friends are urging anyone with information.
Oh, that might have been me. Oh my god. Oh, that is.
Hey, I can use this.
Why am I? What is happening? Am I not? What? What just... My game just started late. What the heck just happened? That was weird. Well, playing another match. That was just strange. Alright, sorry for that, guys. My guy just started lagging, and he, like, I don't even know. Alright, I'm gonna use... Still just weird it out. Okay, so we got lettuce-based sissy cook. This kid's typing in chat. Spectre, you're gonna die. Bro, you don't even know how good I am at this game. I'm just kidding, guys. I actually suck. But I'm not gonna let that. I'm not. Connie, ready up. I'm talking like this is Fortnite. Connie, ready up.
I was wondering why I heard a small child speaking, and it's this lobby.
Yeah, it is. Alright, there we go.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde,
To redo my whole fucking load out there.
recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search in nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward.
Alright. Or risky, but whatever.
See where this leads.
Yes, we will. Okay.
Don't even think about it, man.
Oh, okay. So much pigs. Alright. Got it.
I gotta watch out.
Oh, it scared me. Please don't say that. We're fine. Oh, okay, now we're not.
Leatherface lair exit opening.
Oh, he just chased them. Alright, he's chasing the two.
How did this happen? How do people like this happen?
I'm gonna go through here. Okay.
Found the valve. It's over by the side garden. Or not the
Fire.
valve itself, but that's what the tank is.
Okay. I need to get upstairs.
Look at this.
Found the fuse. I'm gonna take it upstairs where the fuse is.
Of course. Come on. Think. I need to stay strong. We gotta find the others.
Okay, it's open. Okay.
Yes.
Are they gone? Please. Please, let them be gone.
Oh, sugar. Just that.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm finally on the fuse.
I gotta find a way to unlock this. Hey, what's coming?
Yo, I just like did something to the grandpa. I like stabbed him in the chest.
I'm really hurt.
Come on, run. I'm lost in the so
I guess I can't
I'm out,
save
guys.
you after all.
I'm dead.
The fuse box is just upstairs and in the crawl space.
From me.
Wow. Okay. Pack that up. Let's go. Okay. We did more things than we usually do, so I'd say that's pretty good. Alright, we'll end it there. Thank you guys for watching so much. Remember to tell me what you guys want me to play in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and that's the end. Peace.